Alright guys, so this is my hair freshly washed. Do you see this? My hair, it looks squeaky clean. I don't see any buildup in this area. As I said before, I focus the shampoo around my perimeter because I do lay my baby hairs with gel and it does get cakey in between the locks. So I'm trying to prevent buildup by making sure I clean vigorously on my edges to get all of the product out. It looks like I have achieved that. I don't see too much product. Well, I'm not gonna say too much. I don't see any buildup in my hair. So that is amazing. I have lost a lock. Here's a lock. Oh, looks like I have lost a lock. This used to be a lock. I know it's tiny as ever, but this used to be a lock. So I guess I'm gonna have to go back in and fix that again. From what I was reading, they say that what you should do is just keep locking it or keep tying it until it permanently locks. I guess I have to keep redoing this one because this piece of hair right here is really, really soft. These little edges here, I don't really think I want to put them back in the lock. I think I just want them to let them be free and I'll just, do my baby hairs. Did I lose any on this side? Let's see. Doesn't look like I lost any on this side either. Well, no, take that back. This looks awfully thin, unless this is, yep. I lost the same lock on the opposite side. Okay, so these two are my little baby locks, as you can see. I have a picture of them. I'm gonna insert it here. That's what the baby locks look like when they're locked. So I expected these to come out because they're not really mature locks. So hopefully they get there. All right, I'll be back once I take out the rubber bands and see what my hair looks like wet. This will be the first time I see my hair wet after I've done my locks. I have not washed my locks in 30 days. My hair has not been washed in 30 days, which for me is really hard because I'm used to washing my hair twice a week. I wash my hair on Wednesdays and Sundays, like clockwork. That's when I was a loose natural. Now that I'm a lock natural, I don't know when to wash my hair. So I think I'm gonna go to once a week and see how that goes. And if my hair still tends to be dry, like my hair has been itching like crazy. That's how I know it really needs to be washed. But I have not washed it since the install, which was like a complete, I'm gonna say 40 days. So my hair has not been washed in 40 days. Okay, so my hair was overdue for being washed. So that's why I am washing it now. As you can see, I did the banding method. Because that's just what I've been seeing all online, what you should do with non-mature locks. My locks are not matured, so we don't want to lose any more of the lock that we've already lost. I have noticed that I have been losing some of the lock, so I hope that I don't lose any more. I don't mind that I lost some because my hair is still curling from the end. This banding came out. Hope that doesn't affect anything. All right, I'll see you when I take them down. They are so airy. Oh my God. Check out that bounce. is my hair freshly washed. This is officially my first wash day with my locks. It actually went pretty simple. So essentially, you know, if my hair was already retied, this would be it. I ain't never had a wash day this quick in my life. Girl, essentially you just let this dry, which it's about, I'm gonna say 60% dry already. Like, my hair is drying really fast compared to when I was a loose natural. This would have been an all day process. So if I was not about to retie my hair, this would have been the end of the process and I would be done. I probably would have sprayed some stuff on it, some oil on it, and that would literally be it. So, check out the scalp, check out the hair. My concern was if the parts were still gonna be there. It does look like I need a I do need a retie, so my parts are a little uncrispy, but they are still really good. My ends, I'm not sure what to do with them. They're curling. Like, look at these. These are like, some are super curled and some are just like, girl, if you don't trim your ends. So I don't know if you're supposed to trim your ends or not with locks, but I think I am gonna trim a little bit of it. This blonde has just been killing my hair, but it does make it cute. The blonde does make the locks cute or whatever. So I don't want to trim too much because I like it. But overall, this wash day seems to be a super success. Okay. So I'm gonna go retie my hair. That video will be coming out soon. So without further ado, you know what time it is. It's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.